Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel Earn Easy One. So in this video I want to talk about this website which will earn you free money by just completing simple tasks, and you are not investing anything to this particular website. So what this website does is that you just come to it and complete some tasks, and once you complete the task you have to submit it to the users who posted the task and claim your free money from it. So you can see that on my dashboard, you can see that I currently have about 8,006 naira, which I made from this particular website. And this particular money showing here, I didn't invest anything to it. All I did do was complete some few tasks from this website, and once I complete those tasks I'll be able to claim my reward. So all you need to do to get started is that I'll be dropping the link to this particular website in the description of my video. So all you need to do is to sign up to this website, and once you sign up to this website, this is how the interface will look like. So all you need to do to earn from this particular website is that there are various tasks in which you can earn, various ways in which you can earn from this website, such as, let's go ahead to the number one, such as the daily bonus. So this daily bonus, you have to come here every day and claim your daily bonus. And you can see that I've claimed my daily bonus for today. So you have to come here every day and claim your daily bonus. And if you once you claim your daily bonus, you can easily withdraw it to your local bank transfer or USDT or airtime. So it depends on your choice. So another way in which you can earn from this particular website is to complete offer wars. So another way in which you can earn is to complete offer wars. You can see once I click on the offer wars, there are various offer wars given to you on this particular website, such as the time war, the Bisco stacks, the incentive, and the kiddie war. So all you need to do is to click on any one of them, and once you click on them, you perform the task given to you, and these tasks which you perform, you can easily withdraw your money ASAP to your local bank transfer. So another way in which you can earn is through called the PTC. So this PTC task is just like a link in which you click, and once you click that link, it will take you to a particular website, and all you need to do is to watch the ad for some time, for some seconds, and once you watch those ads for some seconds, you earn free money. You can see that there are 73 links available in this particular PTC tax section. So once you can see the first one, that if you claim the bonus for a limited time, you can see once you visit this particular tax and you wait for 30 seconds, this is the amount you earn from just completing this task. You can see that you earn up to 1 naira and 80 kobo. So there are various PTC tasks given to you here. So all you need to do is to complete all these tasks, and once you complete these tasks, you can refresh your page, and once you refresh your page, a new task also will be added to this particular website. So another way in which you can earn is through the tax section. So if you go to the tax section, so you can see there are various tasks given to you on their tax section, such as one, completing this one. You can see that the ability task given to you, you can see that sign up on freebies and earn up to 250 naira. So once you complete this task, this is the amount you earn from completing this task. You can see on this second one that it should earn on socialize, that after completing this task you earn 250 naira, and the rest of them. So but for me, the one I normally go is that of the Telegram bots. You can see there are various Telegram bots tasks given to you here, and also I'm going to show you the secret on how you can earn more from this particular Telegram bot. So all I need from you guys is to like and subscribe to my channel Earn Easy One, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates. So for you to complete this tasks such as this Telegram bot, all you need to do is to go to your Telegram bot and create at least 2 or 3 Telegram account. So once you create that 2 or 3 Telegram account, all you need to do is to sign into that particular Telegram account and complete this task. So once you complete this task, all you need to do is to come back to this website and submit your proof. So let me go ahead and click on it. You can see the proof, what this task is required for you to do. You can see this is a blonde bot task, and which I know most of you are farming this particular airdrop. So all you need to do, you can see where it says that if you once you click this link, it will take you to your Telegram bot. So what you need to do, you can see the required proof. It says that it requires you to provide your username and screenshot of that particular bot which you enter. So once you do that, all you need to do is to click on where it says test proof. This test proof means that you have completed the task. All you need to do is say I've completed the task and upload the image. So once you upload the image, the person which give this task will be able to review this task, and once he review this task, you can able to claim your reward ASAP without no wasting of time. So the secret there is that you should have at least two Telegram bots and two Telegram accounts, and you can see that if you perform these tasks, this is the amount you earn. That's 2 naira. That is, if you have two Telegram accounts and you perform these tasks, that is, you have earned about 64 naira extra. And this particular money showing on your screen, you can easily withdraw it to your local bank transfer. So you can see there are many Telegram bot tasks given to you here. So all you need to do is to do what I say, that you should have at least 2 or 3 Telegram accounts, and once you have that, you can come here and perform all these tasks. And once you perform this task, you can see the various amounts given to you by performing all these tasks. So, and once you perform these tasks, you can easily withdraw your money ASAP. So as you can see on my balance, that I currently have about 8,006 naira, and this money I want to withdraw it when it reach 10,000. So once my balance reach 10,000, I'll be able to withdraw it to my local bank transfer. And you can see that I haven't invited anyone to this particular website. So the link to this particular website, I'll be dropping it in the comment section or in the description of my video. So let's go ahead for the withdrawal part. I know most of you will be asking, how can I withdraw my money? So another way to earn is to, before I forget, is through called the short links. And you can see that the short links given to you here are about 30 short links, and once you complete all those short links, this is the amount you earn. That is 138 naira. And once you complete all those 30 short links, all you need to do is to refresh this your page, and once you refresh this your page, a new task also will be added to you. So let's go ahead to the withdrawal part. So once you click on the withdrawal part, you can see all you need to do is to enter the amount in which you want to withdraw, and also insert your bank details. You can either withdraw through bank transfer, airtime, or faucet usdt. So for those who are not in the Nigeria, that they can withdraw through either airtime or bank transfer, all you need to do is to create a faucet pay account. And once you create your faucet pay account, all you need to do is to go ahead and withdraw your money ASAP. So this particular website does not require you to invest anything, and you are not depositing anything to this website. So once I reach my 10,000 limit, I'll be able to withdraw this my money to my local bank transfer. So if you find this video more helpful, so all I need from you guys is to like and subscribe to my channel and easy one, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates coming your way. So peace out.